Dubai to unveil world's tallest well-being resort, Therme Dubai, by 2028. Dubai is set to revolutionize luxury wellness tourism with the launch of Therme Dubai, the world's tallest well-being resort, standing 100 meters high. Slated for completion by 2028, the $2 billion United Arab Emirates dirhams project will be a key part of the Dubai Quality of Life Strategy 2033. Located at Zabeel Park, the resort will span 500,000 square feet and boast the world's largest indoor botanical garden, offering an unparalleled space for relaxation, restoration, and recreation. Designed to host 1.7 million visitors annually, Therme Dubai will prioritize urban biodiversity and sustainability, reinforcing Dubai's commitment to enhancing residents' well-being. This ambitious project underscores Dubai's vision of becoming a global leader in wellness and sustainability.